Hey guys, I know it's been almost a month without a video. I apologize for that, but today we're back with another episode of Deal or Steal. Today we're going to be reviewing the Pulse 3D wireless headset for PS5 and PS4. Now this review is coming from a PS4 perspective, as I don't have a PS5 yet, but just know that if it sounds good on PS4, it's going to sound a lot better on the PS5, considering that the PS5 has a lot way better audio. Now I got these at Walmart for $100 brand new, which is already a deal considering that on eBay they go for over $150. Like always, when it comes to these episodes of Deal or Steal, I'll mention the good over the bad first. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, make sure to do so, as you know I make a lot of these videos. Go check out the PSP review I did a while back. Now, one thing that I really like about these headsets is that you can't tell that they're gaming headsets, which is something that I really like. And also, the design is different. You can tell that Sony wanted these to stand out from other headsets so that you know it was made for the PS5. Now, as a person that wears glasses, it's really hard to find things that really fit your ears, especially when it comes to headphones. But these are comfortable. I've used them for around 4 hours and then they start to hurt, which is obviously normal, but I gotta say that's really impressive. They're very lightweight, and for me that used to be very concerning when it comes to headset, but now I know that lightweight is the way to go. They can hurt at times, like I said, but it's very rare. Now the connectivity on these headphones are just oof. The dongle, you just plug it in and it right away connects, and you turn it on and off the headset from the side and right away they connect, which is something that is really useful, especially if you're going to be switching between systems. Now, as a casual gamer, I play around 2 to 3 hours at the most on a day or two, and so basically I got around 5 days right off the box, but I charged them and I ended up getting so far over a whole week and I haven't had to charge them yet, so that's really impressive. Now, I know I haven't talked about the audio. I'm going to leave the audio to its own separate section, so now I'm going to talk about the bad things. So like I said earlier, it can hurt after a while, and if you want to be a very competitive gamer and you wear glasses, I would look elsewhere or look for a different solution so that they don't hurt. Now, if you don't have glasses, just look out for these 3 things. If you have glasses, look into them too, because they're not just going to go. But if you're a person like me that wants to be in the game or into the music and just have noise canceling, these do not have that, and therefore a lot of sound does go in no matter how much of the volume you turn up, and still sometimes your voices, which can ruin the experience, as this is supposed to be 3D audio. Another thing is the controls on the side of the headset. They all feel similar. I find myself pressing on the microphone or pressing a different button when I try to turn up the volume, which is really annoying. Okay, I miscounted. It's 4 things, including the other thing. So another bad thing is that surround sound or the 3D audio is not active when they're wired, which can, suck in case you wanted to listen to music on your phone or something. Now, something that I was really excited for was that it charges via USB-C, but they took around 2.5 to 3 hours to charge, including using a fast charging box. Now, to fully, get the most of these headset, for a review, I played different games in each day and tried different scenarios in which you might use this headset. I'll put little notes on the side of each video and let you guys know what my thoughts on each different scenario were. I also tested these out with some music using the aux cord. I used this song and tested it out, and I gotta say it definitely sounds good. Of course the 3D audio is not there, but they still sound really good. I would definitely recommend these, and if you're new to 3D audio like me, these are definitely worth the buy. Now if you can't seem to find these in stores, definitely say 150 is still good for the price. But if you can't, just go and get the Turtle Beach 600 Gens 2 for $100, or the SteelSeries Arctic 7 wireless. Both have good audio, and I believe the Turtle Beach SteelSeries 600 also has 3D audio, so they won't be these, but they still sound as good. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.